Shalom. When you speak Hebrew, every conversation can become a connection. ברוכים הבאים to the Rosen School of Hebrew, the most established online Hebrew school. For over 25 years, more than 100,000 students have learned to speak Hebrew, thanks to our engaging and innovative method. So how do we do it? You will learn Hebrew in small classes taught by professional native educators like me. Our online platform is easy to use, allowing you to learn Hebrew anytime and anywhere. We offer multiple courses from beginner to advanced levels, so you can always find a class that fits your schedule. We also cover general Israeli studies such as perfecting your Hebrew fluency and touring around the land of Israel. Beyond your weekly classes, you will also gain access to all courses material, useful tools, and optional free study group and supportive community. Rosen is different since we teach Ivrit בעברית, with no English required. This innovative method was originally developed by Aharon Rosen, an exceptional Hebrew teacher. All of our courses are certified by the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and recognize the Israel Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Education. So let's begin our career journey. See you in class. להתראות בכיתה.